You know that feeling when you wake up and your house isn't yelling at you? No dishes stacked like the game of Jenga? No mystery laundry piles whispering your name? Just peace waiting for you with your first sip of coffee. That's what we're after. And in this video, I'm sharing 8 daily habits that help me reclaim peace in my home every single day. These aren't fancy or complicated. In fact, they're so simple that you might wonder why they're so powerful. But when you string them together and make them part of your everyday routine, man, it's game changer. So stick around and let me show you how you can end your day with peace of mind and wake up to a home that makes you breathe easier, not sigh heavier. Let's reclaim that peace one doable habit at a time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. And if you're new here, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Michelle and my channel is all about reclaiming peace in your home by setting up sensible routines. I love getting to know each and every one of my subscribers, so if you'll head to the comment section, tell me who you are, tell me where you live, and a little bit about yourself. I would love to get to know you. So habit number 1 is make your bed. Did you know that peace begins before your feet even hit that floor? Studies show that making your bed is one of the simplest ways to kickstart productivity. It makes you feel more in control of your day, and it's just that 2-minute task that signals your brain to say, this space is cared for, and so am I. Habit number 2 is 1 load of laundry a day. Now this is start, dry, and put away. You know, laundry doesn't have to be a monster. It just needs to have a routine. Get it into a routine. A morning routine, 1 load a day. You can do this. It's not that big of a deal. Laundry is never totally, honestly, completely done, because the minute you put it away, somebody is taking their clothes and putting it back in the hamper. So just get in the mindset that you're always going to have a load a day, okay? So by doing just 1 load of laundry a day, you're going to avoid the overwhelm of laundry piles shouting at you from across the room. This is a simple habit because it brings peace, and it gives laundry a predictable place in your routine instead of letting it steal your joy.
I don't know.
Habit number 3 is unload your dishwasher in the morning. An empty dishwasher is like a blank slate for your day. This tiny 5-minute habit sets up your kitchen and your brain for success. So instead of the chaos building as the day goes on, you create a flow that makes mess easier to manage and way less stressful.
Getting close to you. I see you standing there, I just want I see you standing there, I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body on my body, don't you see that?
All right, so habit number 4 is check your menu and thaw meat. So decision fatigue is real, especially around dinner time. So when you check your meal plan and you prep just one thing, like pulling the meat out to thaw, you're giving your future self a huge win. It's peace through preparation, and it's a 30-second habit that erases that dinner dread.
All I think about is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do?
So habit number 5 is refill your dishwasher after dinner and go ahead and run it. So going to bed with dishes done, it's just a gift for your tomorrow you. There's something so peaceful about ending the day with that quiet hum of the dishwasher and then waking up to a clean slate. It's closure for the day, and it's your kitchen's version of being closed for the night.
Closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body on my body, don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I lose my mind when you look like that. And get you tell that I want this back. Yeah, I do. I see you standing there, I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body on my body, don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do?
Habit number 6 is deep clean your sink. A shiny sink changes how the whole kitchen feels. It's just wild how a sparkling sink can reset the vibe of the whole kitchen. So going ahead and scrubbing out the sink signals that cleaning is done, food is finished, and rest is welcome. Plus, it also keeps out that odor and the grime and things from piling up. It's just peace for the eyes and the nose. Now, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and use my Dawn Power Wash, and I spray down the sink. Then I allow this to set while I go and I do my other chores. And then this is one of the very last things I do. But I do like to use the power wash or any cleaner. Go ahead and spray it in there and allow it to set. Allow it to do the job that it's meant to do. Okay, while that sets, let's go ahead and do habit number 7, which is to wipe down your counters, your stovetop, and your table. Clear surfaces equals clear mind. Sticky counters and crumbs might seem small, but visual clutter like this can actually spike our cortisol levels, which is our stress hormones. So wiping these things down is a quiet reset that reclaims the senses, and it sets the tone for a peaceful night.
I had a dream once, I kept it close. It seemed so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see That's why I am rich.
So as you can see, our house is starting to settle down for the night. So our final habit is habit number 8, and this is tidy the living room before you go to bed, okay? There's just something sacred about waking up to order. So when you walk in your living room and everything is put away and everything is tidy, it just feels so peaceful. So go ahead and fluff your pillows, fold your blankets, put away toys or remotes. It's only going to take a few minutes, but the payoff is going to be huge. So you're creating a space that's going to welcome you in the morning instead of confronting you with a bunch of chaos. Now, you don't need perfection to find peace. You just need intention. These 8 habits may seem small, but they build habits that tells your home that you're cared for. And in return, your home becomes a place that cares for you. And listen, you don't have to do all 8 at once. Go ahead and start with 1. Then you can build from there. This is going to let your routines grow with you. And over time, these little habits become second nature. And that's when the peace really starts to settle in. So remember, it's not about having a Pinterest perfect home. It's about creating a space that feels calm, cared for, and ready for the people you love, including yourself. So you've got this, one habit at a time, and I'm right here cheering you on the whole way. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, would you please give me a big thumbs up? And I'm going to see you in next Thursday's video. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.